Hello, my Leos. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, the reading is out. This is for my zodiac baby. So, without further ado, let's begin with your reading. Let's see what are the energies trying to guide you. Angels and spirit guides, what's coming up for my darlings? And sweethearts, if you wish to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I would highly appreciate that. The brand is Vibra to Live. And if you wish to schedule a detailed personalized reading, please feel free to DM me and we can take things further ahead. A huge bunch. Okay. Anything else? No. So we have playfulness. Do not take things to your heart. Maybe this month is trying to remind you, be playful, stop being a people's pleaser, stop fooling people and including yourself. Okay, there seems to be a lot of stress that you're trying to get stuck up with. Maybe that is what you need to work. It's okay. Learn to let go. Learn to be in a happy go lucky mood. Maybe this is what the month is trying to emphasize for you. Now let's see what are the other energies. We have isolation, awareness, beyond illusion, clinging to the past, compromise, control, and slowing down. Okay, so what is it that this month is trying to say? This month will try to make you realize that you have been living in some dreamy, imaginary world, and the reality is something else, which is something you should be focusing on. Learn to stick to reality, else, you're going to have a heartbreak. That is why it's trying to say take things very lightly. You have a tendency to control because, again, you are egoistic, you have that thing, you're inborn with that. So you want to control things the way you want. Financially, you're going to be happy. You have to find a balance. Remember, what you give is what you shall receive. I'm not saying you're not, I'm not saying that you're a heartless person. You're an amazing, lovable soul. But this month will teach you where you're going wrong. And probably your wrong thought processes, your unexpectations, everything which you feel is right, universe will try and telling you're wrong because you have been imagining. Why? Because you have been getting influenced by people. You have a lot of anger issues. You're still stuck up with your past. You're not ready to face the reality. That's where the heartache comes. You have a tendency to control people because of whatever past experiences you've had. A part of you seeing is a no, and a part of you is saying yes. Avoid getting into manipulations because no matter what you do, the end result will be heartache. And why is that heartache? Because in the past you have been through a heartache, you've still not come out of it. Maybe that's the reason you're still living in that bubble burst. So, in short, when you let go of all these things, when you start going ahead, whatever you want, you can achieve that. Understand? Now, let's ask your angels what guidance do they have to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides, guidance. Beautiful. Reward yourself. When was the last time you rewarded yourself? You haven't. You have been doing for people. You've not been doing to yourself. Give a pat on your back as to how far you've reached. Be a child. Your inner child still needs to be loved. So be a child, have fun. Even if you want to have an ice cream date, you want to eat something junk for that matter, do that. Maybe that's what your inner child is trying to tell you. Now let's come to your love life. Let's see. Angels and spirit guides. Okay, and it says dragonfly. Read. It says be light-hearted. You need to come out of your issues, learn to adapt, learn to change, learn to heal yourself. Maybe that is what is required. And butterfly, see how beautiful the transformation seems to be coming in. Once you heal your inner child, everything will come to you. It says sword and the rose, gain clarity, and when you talk, you will find the answer. So gain clarity. Don't live under assumptions or illusions, is what universe and the love energies are trying to tell you. Now, should we ask universe if there's anything specific? And it says message. You will receive some messages, okay, through calls, text, emails, or there could be some hidden messages also coming up. Okay, that's how the synchronicity is coming. Whatever it is, gain clarity. So don't rush into it. You can expect positive news, I would say, because it kind of gives a positive sign. But again, it's not even trying to say to take things lightly. Okay, so how should I sum up this month? Reality check. Get a reality check. Why? Because of your past experiences, you have become rigid unknowingly, and that is what universe is trying to say. If you're not ready to let go, you cannot move ahead. So ideally the ball is in your court. If you learn to compromise and take things slowly and be a little playful, heal yourself, everything should be working in your favor. Your angels are saying your inner child is hurt, so learn to reward yourself. At the matters of heart, gain clarity, talk it out. Only then things will sail smoothly. And a message is something you can expect, good and bad. Whatever it is, it will come to you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.